I'm Phil with NVIDIA, and this is the Jetson Nano 2GB Developer Kit. Learning by doing is key for anyone new to AI and robotics, and this developer kit is ideal for hands-on projects. You'll see your work perceiving and interacting with the world around you in real time. Thousands of Jetson Nano developers actively share their how-tos, videos, and projects that you can build and learn from. We regularly post some of our favorites to the Jetson Community Projects page. Educators, students, and other enthusiasts can all easily create AI projects with this small, powerful, and priced for everyone developer kit. Getting started is simple. In the box is a small paper booklet with a link to getting started information and the system image. You can use any Chrome OS, Mac, Windows, or Linux computer to download the system image and write it to your microSD card. Detailed instructions are available at the Getting Started link. You'll need to supply a few things not included in the box: a 32GB or larger UHS-1 microSD card, a 5V 3A USB-C power supply, and a computer display, keyboard, and mouse. We've included a USB Wi-Fi adapter, but it isn't initially available in all regions. In those places, the developer kit will be sold without it for a reduced price, but we'll add it to those regions as soon as it becomes available. After you download the system image and write it to your microSD card, insert it into this slot on the back of the developer kit. Attach the other items, and last of all, connect your USB-C power supply. Your developer kit will power on automatically. That's it. On first boot, you'll be prompted for some basic setup information, such as username and password, time zone, and keyboard layout. The developer kit includes a ribbon cable connector for CSI cameras, and supports the popular Raspberry Pi V2 camera, as well as the high-quality camera. There's one USB 3 Type A connector, and until RealSense and Z cameras are supported out of the box. There's two USB 2 connectors, Gigabit Ethernet, and a micro USB connector for USB device mode. The developer kit also includes a 40-pin header useful for projects. It offers out-of-the-box compatibility with common sensors and peripherals, including many from Adafruit. In addition to community-driven how-tos and projects, NVIDIA offers many free and comprehensive tutorials, starting with Hello AI World and continuing to robotics projects such as the open-source JetBot AI robot platform. All these resources are enabled by NVIDIA Jetpack, which brings to each developer the same CUDA-X software and tools used by professionals around the world. Jetpack includes a familiar Linux environment and simplifies the development process with support for cloud-native technologies, such as containerization and orchestration. So this is the Jetson Nano 2GB Developer Kit. It's an AI computer that's ideal for hands-on learning and making. It offers out-of-the-box compatibility with common sensors, and it's quick to get started with AI development containers hosted on NVIDIA NGC. Visit the NVIDIA Jetson developer site and get started today.